Seventh root. This time we have to eliminate the radical of the seventh order. Remember, the rule is always the same. If you want to eliminate the radical sign with the seventh order, you have to raise that radical to the seventh power. This exponent will eliminate this radical. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. And I'm going to have x minus 9 equals 1 to the 7th power is equal 1. Now I have no radical sign. I can find very easy x. What I'm supposed to do? Just move negative 9 to the right side of the equation. Why I'm moving negative 9? Because 9 has no x next to itself. That's why I have x equals 1 plus 9. X is equal 1 plus 9 is equal 10. Let's prove that this is correct answer. I'm going to replace x in my equation by 10. I have 7th root of x, which is in this case 10 minus 9, has to be equal 1. 7th root of 10 minus 9 is equal 1. This is equal 1. Any root of 1 is always equal 1. That's why I have 1 equals 1. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why answer for this problem is x equals 10. Let's take a look at this example. This time I have cube root. Okay, I want to find y. In order to find y, I have to eliminate the radical sign. How I can do that? This time I have to raise this radical to the 3rd power. Whatever I did on the left side, I have to do also on the right side. So I have to raise 4 to the 3rd power. This 3 and radical sign is going to cancel out. That's why I have 2y equals 4 to the 3rd power is equal 64. I have to find y by itself. I have 2 multiplied to y. I have to eliminate multiplication and remove this 2 from left side. What I'm supposed to do? Divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 cancels out. And I have y equals 64 divided by 2 is equal 32. Let's check if this is correct answer to my problem. I'm going to replace y in my original equation by 32. I have cube root of 2 times 32 equals 4. Cube root 2 times 32 is 64 equals 4. Cube root 64 is nothing else, just 4 to the 3rd power. This cube root and this exponent will cancel out. And I have 4 equals 4. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why y equals 32 is the answer to my problem.